friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Acer 24.5-inch Full HD gaming monitor KG251QSbmiipx. So friend, the Acer has announced the 24.5-inch gaming display, the KG251QSbmiipx, and it has a refresh rate of 165Hz and it is fitted with a VA panel that does not have a glossy finish and a zero frame design with narrow frames on three sides. And friend, it has a maximum resolution of 1920 by 180 pixels, refresh rate of 165Hz, response time of 1 millisecond. AMD FreeSync Premium works with displacing technology. And friend, the main specifications are that it has a maximum brightness of 250 cadmium per meter square, contrast ratio of 3000 Gem1, horizontal and vertical viewing angle of 178 degree, and it can show 16.7 million colors and can reproduce 72% of NTSC colors and can show HDR10 colors. And it also has gaming features like game mode, which lets you choose from 3 genres, and black boost, which makes it easier to see in dark place. And it also has a flickerless feature that supports the screen from flickering, and BluelightShield feature that cuts the blue light. And friend, there are 2 HDMI 2.0 ports and 1 DisplayPort 1.2 watt and 2 watt plus 2 watts previous speakers are built in. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.